Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency. Launched in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, whose true identity remains a mystery. What is unprecedented about Bitcoin is that no central bank, government, or agency can print, mint, or create new Bitcoin. Trading Bitcoin for goods and services has the advantage of an unlimited quantity of transactions to and from any country, with minimal fees at near instant speeds. Bitcoin is also highly accessible, as it only requires an internet connection and a Bitcoin wallet, e-wallet, or any digital wallet to use. Bitcoin is created, distributed, traded, and stored with the use of a decentralized ledger system, known as the blockchain. The blockchain can be thought of as a collection of records hosted across a Bitcoin network, using peer-to-peer technology. These records are transparent and public for any and all to see, and are updated whenever a user transacts with Bitcoin. The blockchain stores records of purchases, transfers, and exchanges across the entire Bitcoin network. Any attempts to artificially modify the blockchain, say through hacking, will not work, because it is not possible to change the majority of the blocks at once to commit the changes. As the blockchain is public and transparent, cheating attempts can be seen and caught easily, securing the blockchain network. Anyone can be a Bitcoin miner, so there is no central authority governing Bitcoin, which makes it a decentralized currency. Like fiat currency, the supply of Bitcoin increases over time, but unlike fiat money, the process of creating Bitcoin is automated and cannot be manipulated by any individual. The process of minting Bitcoin is known as Bitcoin mining. Mining involves hardware solving complex computations that reward miners in Bitcoin for discovering and adding new blocks to the blockchain. While the kind of hardware used can solve these computations at different speeds, it is impossible to force these solutions or manipulate the creation of Bitcoin in any way. Bitcoin has also been coded to be finite, as eventually no more computations will be possible. Strict minting rules, a finite supply, and the secure blockchain all make Bitcoin unprecedented among currencies. Bitcoin is controlled by its users and not by large financial institutions. The only fees you will pay when using Bitcoin are your e-wallet operator plus some miner fees. Miner fees are minimal and flexible, acting as a small incentive for Bitcoin miners to maintain the blockchain. More businesses accept Bitcoin today than ever before, and paying is as easy as scanning your e-wallet's QR code to authorize transactions. With Bitcoin, you can buy products, book holidays abroad, fund your Exness trading accounts, or even send money to friends and relatives around the world instantly at minimal cost. Bitcoin is not just a speculative investment instrument, but also an affordable and accessible form of payment and money transfer. Open an e-wallet and give Bitcoin a try today.